Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Fosak TV USA. Here is the breaking news. No chemotherapy needed to treat cancer, claims new research. The research bears significance as the work promises a treatment using which the cancer patients will be saved from the side effects of chemo and radiation therapy. A team of 11 scientists from the Cleveland Clinic in the US and a researcher from Allahabad University have found a way in which chemo and radiation therapy will not be required to kill cancer cells. The work of the team, led by Young Lee, professor of cancer biology at the Cleveland Clinic, and assisted by Munish Pandey, assistant professor at the Department of Biochemistry, Allahabad University, has been published in the prestigious journal Oncojet by Nature. The research bears significance as the work promises a treatment using which the cancer patient will be saved from the side effects of chemo and radiation therapy. After its successful experiment on rats, efforts are now being intensified to apply it on the human body. Pandey said the study may give relief to cancer patient who undergoes chemotherapy. Chemotherapy uses radiation and other drugs which has many side effects and evoke immune system that causes severe pain and allergic reaction. The team has earlier developed knockout mice for MIR21 and the same was published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science of the US. Journal microRNA 21 is one of the most abundant microRNAs in mammalian cells that regulates apoptosis and oncogenic effects. I have worked along with the American scientists and invented an alternative to chemotherapy and drugs in the treatment of cancer, which damage normal cells along with cancer cells during cancer treatment. This successful experiment was done by a team of 11 scientists in the Cleveland Clinic, and Young Lee, our team, while experimenting on mice, injected its antisense into mice to make MIR21 ineffective. Following this, it was found that the tumor formed in the body of the rat gradually became smaller and some tumors disappeared completely. The experiment went on for a year in America, however. It has not yet been used on the human body. Now, the effort has been intensified to apply it on the human body, Pandey said. He added that due to cancer, tumors are formed in the body which are eliminated through chemotherapy and drugs. In this process of treatment, along with cancer cells, normal cells are also damaged and has a negative effect on the body. The group is working on other program, cell death mechanism, microRNAs, and chimeric antigen T-cell therapy to take carcinogenicity in mice model. Beyond the report for Fosak TV USA.